Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. Today I feel being the day of Mahalakshmi, offer her some roses or offer her some sweet, and then you can have it or you can give it even to your family members. You can also hear the Shri Suktam. I always, every time I suggest that Shri Suktam is one thing which you should keep hearing from time to time in order to get the grace and blessings of Mahalakshmi ji in your life and for her to always be there for you and bless you wholeheartedly. Today I feel the color that you should wear is red. I don't know, I'm getting a very strong feeling that red has to be worn so that you will feel a strong energy from inside and your day will go smooth and energized. So let us see what is Mahalakshmi's cards which is coming for you today in the reading. So the first card is the card of Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Prabhu, deliverer of the fallen. Let me just pull one more card. I feel like pulling one more card. Dhanamantri. So that is the god of medicine. So maybe some of you should focus on your health today. That's the reason the Dhanvantri has come. So as I said, Dhanvantri has come for help. But Nityananda Prabhu, he was a very famous Pandit or a saint years back. And he was very compassionate person. So maybe today is the day of compassion. Today is the day of love. That is why Nityananda Prabhu has come. And overall, I feel, you will be busy. You will be successful throughout the day. But at the same time, I would say that, you should also chant some mantra today. Maybe, as I said, chant the Shri Suktam, chant the Mahalakshmi mantra. Those who connect with Krishna Bhagwan, then Nityananda Prabhu also has, I have read that connects beautifully with Krishna Bhagwan. So you can even connect with Lord Krishna today. Now coming to Dhanvantri, usually Dhanvantri is a beautiful card which comes when your pain should go. But moreover, I feel some of you have that fear. You should remove that fear and you should move forward in life in order to be happy and in order to be blessed by Lord Mahalakshmi and also the Dhanvantri. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.